हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम स्टैट 301 मिड टर्म की प्रिपरेशन के लिए बात करेंगे। मैंने जितने भी लड़के हैं जिनका भी पेपर हो गया है स्टैट 301 का, तो उनसे डिस्कस किए कि किस फाइल में से एमसीक्यू ज़्यादातर आ रहे हैं। तो उन लोगों ने ज़्यादातर मुझे इसी फाइल को रिकमेंड किया कि इस फाइल में से ज़्यादातर आपके एमसीक्यूज आ रहे हैं मिड टर्म के लिए, और ये 99% इनमें से ज़्यादातर एमसीक्यूज आ रहे हैं। तो मैं आपको ये एमसीक्यूज की फाइल में आपको दिखाता हूँ। ये 72 पेजेस हैं, तो मैं इसको रीड करके बताता हूँ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपको। Which method is used for obtaining the relative frequencies? Dividing the frequency by total number of frequencies, giving PA equal है 0.4, PB 0.5 and PU PA union है इसका B equal है 0.9, then A and B are equally likely events. Which is appreciate average for finding the average speed of car? Mean. The dash is often the perfect measure of center tendency if the data are reserved skewed. The median in measure of relative depression, unit of measurement remains different. Frequency curve is asymmetric to x-axis. Parameter is a dash quantity, constant quantity होता है parameter। तो इसके बाद हम हमारी तीसरे पेज नंबर आ गया। What does the set compressing all possible outcome of an experiment now as? Simple space. The histogram is constant of a set of adjacent rectangles whose base are made of by class boundaries. The middle value of ordered array of number is the median. The main equal है 25 and SD is the 5. Then CV is 20%. The median point of rectangular in a histogram by a series of lines that also touch the x-axis from the both, and you will get frequency curve. The पेज नंबर 4 आ गया। द कंडेंशनल प्रॉपर्टी P and A over B is P and B over B और P and B सही है। तो Chebyshev inequality does not hold for K 0 according to empirical rule approximately 68 of measurements will fall within mean minus S dot D, mean plus S dot D. The particular distribution B to moment ratio will be less than 3. There are two broad categories of data which are qualitative and quantitative. Two broad categories of data, qualitative and quantitative. Okay. 5 page number. The linear regression x equal है a plus b x. The variable y will always the random variable. Okay. तो इसके बाद सेकंड है हमारा द रिजर्वेशन लाइन x इक्वल है a plus b x is called independent variable. The extremely positively skewed curve is known as reverse J sharp curve, and even that contain more than one sample point is called compound event. सही है. The direct 22 है direct personal investigation is dash when the area to be curved is vast both. Okay, according to this empirical rule, express मसलन much how much value will fall within 100%. तो variance is expressed in dash unit at as the units of set data set skewed in a linear recession. Best flatted line is obtained through method of latest skew. When all the value filing in class and equal to the midpoint of the class interval is called grouping error, or a leptokurtic distribution B2 moment ratio will be greater than 3. Which scale will you use to measure the temperature? Interval scale. The number of classes in frequency distribution depend upon population. Variance is expressed in dash. ये repeat हुआ है. Which of the following will be used to draw and or give a cumulative frequency distribution? The coefficient of variance equal 50% and standard variation equal to what will be the value of mean? 4. ठीक है, तो अपना 8 पेज पे आ गया हूँ मैं. द यूनी मॉडल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मोड इज लेस देन मीन, पॉजिटिव स्क्यूड. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद 34 MCQs है अपना. डिप्रेशंस मीन द sorry for that means that the variability that exists in a data set. The dash is the value you calculate when you want to arithmetic average median. When coin is tossed, the simple space constant of two outcome, या पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा, या हेड होगा या टेल होगा. सही है, तो sometime mean deviation can also calculated around median. 9 page number. A teacher asks 100 of her students how many books they had read in the last 12 months. The answer were as flow: 2, 12, 13, 26, 7, 15, 25, 25, 21, 12. The stream part is 0, 1, 2. The case of frequency distribution, the second quadrant in a given by the formula. इसका ये है 1 plus h over f x and over 4 minus c. तो इसमें और इसमें ये डिफरेंस है कि h पहले है f बाद में है, यानी कि h over f वाला एमसीक्यू करेक्ट है. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट वन हमारा है Qualitative deviation is also defined as semi interquartile range, the type of frequency distribution R4. The data which has undergone any statistic treatment is called secondary data. Which of the following is a subset of population sample? Okay, there are 30 people in a group in which shake hand with another. How many shake hand are possible? 335. ठीक है, 30 पीपल का एक ग्रुप है, उन्होंने हैंड शेक किया, तो ज्यादातर हाउ मैनी कितनी दफा लोगों ने हैंड शेक किया, तो 435 दफा. A coin is a toss four time the succession. What is the possibility? What is the possibility? What at least one heart occur? 15 over 16. Okay, how from the following table the value of x equal to 3 will be 1 over 36. Page number 11, MCQ number 47. So when a pair die in a ruled, then sample space against consists of two outcomes. Positive correlation coefficient R will fall within the average B minus 1 or R B minus 1 छोटा है R से, R छोटा है 1 से. तो in a lottery, when 100 prizes and 25 banks, a lottery is withdrawn at random. What is the possibility of getting prize? 2 over 7. Okay, 50 MCQs है हमारा. If one event is an effective by the outcome of the other event, the two events are said to be independent. A union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA dot B. Page number 12, MCQ number 52. In a box, there are 8 red and 7 blue and 6 green ball. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the possibility that is neither red or nor green? 1 over 3. The fair coin is tossed 3 times. What is the possibility at least one head appear? 7 over 8. 7 over 8 और ऊपर था 1 over 3. अगर 8 रेड हो, 7 ब्लू हो, ग्रीन 6 हो, तो 1 over 3. और अगर 3 टाइम ट्वाइस टॉस हुआ हो तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी आएगी 7 over 4. Okay. If we roll and die, then probability of getting a 2 will be 1 over 3. If fx is a continuous probability function, then px equal है x is 2. The regression line y equal है a plus x and y is called dependent variable. Okay, a plus bx comma y is called dependent variable. A plus b comma y is dependent variable if a and b are mutual Explanation event with PA equal has 0.25 and P 0.5, then P or B equal has 0.75. In a 52 with 12 packed of 52 playing card, the probability of drawing any one diamond card is 13/52. Probability of a sure event is 1. If y equal है 3x plus 5, then 5.x of y is equal to 36.1x plus 5. The probability of drawing a red queen card from which shelf packed of 52 play card is 50/52 or 2/52. If B over A equal as 0.25 and A equal है B के 0.25, then P A is 0.80. Okay, when a coin is tossed 3 times, the probability of getting 3 trade is 1/8. In how many ways can you team of 11 players be chosen from a total of 16 player, 42, 43, 68. Okay, next step now. The standard deviation of C constant is 0. If BE is the probability that an event will occur, which of the following must be false? PE equal है -1. Let E and F will be even associated with the same experiment. Suppose the X and F are independent and that PE equal है 1/4 and PEF equal है 1/2. Then PEUF is 3/4. The unit solved 25 questions from the first 50 questions of books. To be solved, the probability what that he will solve the remaining all question is 0.5. If y equal है bx, then variation of y is b square root of var x. The classical definition of probability assume equally likely event. Okay, the scatter diagram, the variation plotted along y-axis is independent variable. Which of the following measure of depression and are based on deviation from the mean? All of those. Okay, what does it mean when data set has the standard deviation equal to 0? The mean of data is also 0. The set of possible value that are remaining value can assume and their associated probability of occur of occur or afforded to as a probability distribution. Which of the following can never be a probability of an event? Minus 0.5. The standard deviation minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 will be 0. Okay, which formula represented the probability of a component of event A 1 minus P B? The special rule of addition is also combined mutual exclusive event. Set the which is the set which is subset of every set is empty set. Okay, the e 4x plus 5 equal है 4ex plus 5. When two dice are rolled in, the number of possible sample point is 36. If two events A and B are not mutual exclusive, then P A or B equal has P A plus P B minus B A plus B. ठीक है, तो evaluate this is 10 minus 4 3 20 720. When E is impossible event, then P E is 0. When we toss a coin, we get only one outcome. Okay, तो हम लोग 20 पेज पूरे कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो का पार्ट बना दूंगा, उसमें आप दूसरी वीडियो देख लेगा. Student solve 25 questions from the 50 question of book to be solved. The probability that he will solve the remaining all question is 0.5. A set of possibility values that are random variable can assume and their associated probability of occur are fair to as probability distribution. Okay, if we toss a dice, then probability of getting a 6 will be 1/6. If PA equal to 0.5 and B equal to 0.35 and P and B 0.25, then P A over B is 0.714 almost. Which of the following is not a measure of standard tendency? So standard deviation. Random experiment can be repeat any number of time under the simulations occurrence of two events is called joint probability. The sum of square deviation from mean is called 0. The square curve touch x-axis is thus yes, यानी कि हम जो फ्रीक्वेंसी का कर्व है उसको एक्स एक्सिस में टच कर सकते हैं. हार्मोनिक मीन इज बेटर देन अदर मीन इफ डाटा आर फॉर रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. Qualities also point on a distribution which split it into equal size proportion. The free head frequency curve is actually a थ्योरेबिलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट। ओके, हम इसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करते हैं। अभी के लिए इतनी है, बाकी मैं दूसरा इसका पार्ट बना दूंगा, तो आप वो वीडियो वॉच कर लिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज।